So we're going to start with a magic circle. We're going to make the tentacles first, and so I'll show you how to make one, and then you'll make 7 more. So single crochet 8 in your magic circle, and then just close your circle, and then we're going to work in the round here, and you're going to do a single crochet and an increase, which is just 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and you're going to do that times 4. Then you're going to put a stitch marker in, and then you're going to do 3 rounds of single crochet. You should have 12 stitches. So we did 3 rounds of 12, and now we're going to do a single crochet and a decrease. And we're going to do that 4 times total. And just pull through, snip your yarn, and stuff your tail. And then you're going to stuff the insides as well. And I'll meet you back here when you have finished 7 more. I have made 8 tentacles and stuffed them, and they are all ready to go. So I'm going to set those aside, and we are going to move on to the pouch. You make your magic circle, and do 8 single crochets in your circle, and then close it up. Next, you're going to do 8 increases. And then put a stitch marker in. Your next round is going to be 1 single crochet and 1 increase. You're going to do that 8 times. And I'll see you at the end. You should have 24 stitches around. And you're now going to do 11 rounds of single crochet. And I'll meet you at the end. So we finished our rows. And now you'll just pull through, leave a little bit of a tail, and then turn it inside out and set it aside for later. Next up is the head, which is actually the whole body. And you're going to make a magic circle and then just single crochet 8 stitches around. And then after that, you're going to do 8 increases. So do your 8 increases and then meet me back here. You should have 16 stitches around. And for your next round, you're going to do 1 single crochet and then an increase. And you'll do that 8 times. You should have 24 stitches around. And for your next row, you're going to do 3 single crochets and 1 increase. And you're going to do that 6 times. At this point, you should have 30 stitches around. And for our next round, you're going to start by doing 1 single crochet and 1 increase. And then you're going to do 4 single crochets and an increase. And then you're going to do that 5 times, followed by 3 single crochets. So now you should have 36 stitches around. And on our next round, we're going to do 5 single crochets and an increase. And you're going to do that for a total of 6 times. Now you should have 42 stitches around. And for our next round, we're going to start with 2 single crochets and an increase. And then you're going to do 6 single crochets and an increase times 5. And then you're going to end this round with 4 single crochets. Now you should have a total of 48 stitches around. And for your next row, you're going to do 7 single crochets and an increase, and you're going to do that 6 times. You should have 54 stitches around now, and for your next row, you're going to start with 3 single crochets and an increase. And then you're going to do 8 single crochets and an increase times 5. And then you'll finish up with 5 single crochets. So you've done all of your increases. You're going to finish up with 5 single crochet. And then you should have 60 stitches around. And now you're going to do 8 rounds of single crochet, and then I'll meet you back here. We've finished our 8 rounds of 60 stitches around, so we are going to start now doing some decreases. So this next row is 8 single crochet and a decrease, and you're going to do that 6 times. In our next row, we're going to do 7 single crochets and a decrease. and you'll do that a total of 6 times. And in your next round, you're going to do 1 single crochet and a decrease all the way around times 16. And I'll see you at the end. Now we're going to put the eyes in, and we're going to do that between rounds 14 and 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So between 14 and 15. And then you're going to leave about 6 to 7 stitches between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7. The next thing we're going to do is join the tentacles. So we're going to crochet our tentacles in. You don't have to sew, so that's the nice part. So you're just going to put your little tentacle right up here and crochet right through. Grab this stitch here and the back stitches, and then right into the next stitch of the head. Like that. And then keep going along. You're going to do 4 stitches in each tentacle. Leave the little tail on your tentacle, and then when you get your next one, you're going to apply it right next to this one, and every 4 stitches is going to have a tentacle, and then you're going to tie the tails of the 2 tentacles together. So just go all the way around, 4 stitches in each tentacle all the way around. So here is tentacle number 2. And I'm going to put it through just like that. And then into the next stitch, just like that. And then you find the next set of 2 stitches on one side and then the other side, and then go into the next stitch in the body. Then I'm going to take the 2 tails of these tentacles and just tie them together. Okay, that's what it looks like on the other side. So just keep doing that all the way around. We're on our very last tentacle. All right, and then I'm just going to do a little slip stitch in here and then tie my last 2 tails together. And it should look like that. Now you are going to start decreasing. So you're going to do 1 row of 1 decrease and 2 single crochets, and you're going to do that 8 times. Now we are going to add a little bit of stuffing before we put the pouch in. So kind of make a little cave inside. Now you're going to take the pouch that you made earlier and put it inside just like that. And then kind of stuffing around the sides. And now you're going to start crocheting your pouch onto the little adorable Mama Octopus. And you're going to do that the same way that you did with your tentacles. So you'll go into this stitch and then go into the stitch on the pouch and pull your yarn through like that. And you're going to do that all the way around. And I'll meet you back when we get to the other side. This is fun, isn't it? Because you don't have to do any sewing. You get to crochet the whole thing. I like it. We're just coming to the last few stitches here. We've almost got the pouch attached all the way around. Okay, then just go ahead and pull through. And there's your little Mama Octopus with the pouch, and you can put baby octopuses in the pouch. You can fit about 3 of them in there. And how fun is that?